Good morning. It is Sunday, May the 3rd, 2015, and we are here this morning at Morey Pond, which is in Union, Connecticut. This is the pond where if you're driving east or west on 84, you see it from the highway. Matter of fact, you can hear some highway noise just now, and in the distance you can see some traffic on 84. That's headed west, and the opposite way is headed east. So it's about 47 degrees. Water temperature is maybe just a bit warmer than that. It's about maybe 5:45 in the morning. It's very early. I figured I'd come out early and see if we could catch some wildlife. So we're gonna circumnavigate this. We did this once before, back last year, but I think maybe we can catch a little bit more. It's middle spring, and maybe a little less vegetation this time. But at least you're out and it's calm. It's going to be a very nice day today. So high is supposed to be near 68. Across a cove right now. Some deadfall in front of me. Branches in the water. Very nice day, and a bit cloudy, but other than that, it's not bad. You get these mid-spring mornings. It's about, it's a bit cool, but still manageable. Some more deadfall branches. We see any wildlife this morning. Looks like a duck in front of me. Yeah, there he goes. Across 84. This pond is characterized by the culvert that goes underneath of 84, which leads to the other side of the pond. We'll be going through that in a few minutes, but so we come around and see. I thought we saw a beaver last time we were here. tall, weedy grass along the edges here. It has yet to spring up, but I'm sure it'll come up in the next month or so. Oh, another painted turtle I just saw underwater. It's had some painted turtles last time I was here. And it's relatively clear. Although there's not much light right now, so it's hard to see down. More deadfall here. Bit shallow here. It's only about maybe 9-10 inches. This is the part that's normally weedy anyway. Coming up on our billboard friend here, our billboard for the Red Carpet Inn. It's still here since last year. And 860-487-3900. Okay, well, still here. Anyway, coming up on 84 and coming up on the culvert that leads to the other side of the pond. And this looks like it might be an area where beavers are. You can see the buildup of twigs and branches right in front of us. I don't see any beaver. He's probably either on his foraging trip or sleeping. So anyway, we'll come back around and see if we see him. Anyway, so this is the culvert that leads to the other side of the pond, and I always try to tell people, try to stay in the middle of the culvert, because the culvert, it might have rocks or debris along the sides of the culvert. Seems like the deepest is right in the middle of the culvert. Now, this is the longest culvert and the longest culvert in any pond that I've been in. So this it's got drain ports that lead off of the highway and drain right into it. Okay, so we're coming on to the other side of Morey Pond. Here we are. This is on the side where leads to 84 East. And this is usually reed grass. Has more ducks in the distance. Either that or Canadian geese, one or the other. I'll probably stay away from the geese. Anyway, I see a bit more coastline now that you know, before the weeds start popping up later in the spring. See the skunk cabbage just trying to sprout up. It's shallow here. Fish broke in front of me. A rock formation. Alongside of 84 up top. You can see some of the reed grass has yet to grow. Rocks. A little cove coming into right now, little stumps of grass. Let's see how shallow it is. Gets a bit shallow. Well, this is about as far in as I can get. Well, let's turn around and head back out. This looks like maybe a part of for a campground in the back. As you can see, a camper and a truck. More rocks. A sign that says posted on your private property. Coming alongside a point. If our memory serves me right, I think there's a big pile of rocks on the other side of this, so I gotta stay clear of this. Otherwise I get hung up just like I had gotten hung up last time I was here. We're gonna swing out wide. A little stump of a rock out here. Looks like there's been birds and other things around this rock. You don't want to cut around inside that rock because it's real shallow and there's a lot of stuff to get hung up on. Okay, we got some deadfall stumps here. Yep, we can just hitting bottom right now. One to my right, one stump to my right, and one stump to my left. All right. Private property, no trespassing. Okay. Coming up on the floodgate. I guess there's some water going over the floodgate. Let's see if we can take a look. Yeah, a little bit. Some rocks in front here. Some of it's running off down into a creek, as you can see underneath of this footbridge. Oh, something that broke. Okay, little rock rock wall here. As we come around. Heading easterly. Okay. More rocks. Posted no trespassing. Okay. A lot of traffic, commercial traffic this morning on 84. Headed towards the more swampy area of the pond right now. This is more the backside. A lot of leaves, a lot of rocks. going up on the back side of the pond right now. And some rocks and leaves like I had mentioned. Oh, there's a turtle. Let's take a look. Just went by. He's right on the surface. Let's see if we can get some video of him. Right on the surface. Hello, sir. How are you? Boy, that looks like a snapper. Right to the left of us here. Right in the water. I hope it comes out on video. It's like he's going down. Hope that came out on video. Big turtle, about a foot diameter shell. Okay. No, posted no trespassing. Okay. And this is the back half. It gets real swampy in here, and I'll see how far back I can go. I think the last time I was here, it got really snarly. Now that the weeds are gone, you might be able to go back a little bit more, but a lot of clumpy grass. And as you can hear, we're right next to 84. Heading east. Some deadfall. And it's about 3 or 4 inches deep, so I don't think we're going to be able to go much further. Anyway. Headed back. Reed grass growing. Heading back out of the back half of the pond right now, paralleling 84 East. Bottomed out on some rocks. Rocks come right up on you. Deadfall. There's a bird. It's like a crow maybe. Blackbird. Okay, coming around the point. More reed grass. Oh, well, at least a carcass of some dead reed grass. About a foot deep over here. I have to keep a little bit of distance from the shore. Okay, paralleling 84 east. I'm heading in a westerly direction. I'm going to be coming up on the culvert in a minute. There we are. Alright, we're going to be heading back to through the culvert now. Coming back to the other side. Well, the sun's starting to break a little bit. Let's see if we can find our beaver friends at the other end of this culvert. Hopefully, we'll see something. Up on the left, in the distance, actually have a bird nest on the side of the culvert. The birds have built a nest. Let's see if I can get that on video. Right here on the left. Right there, a little bit of a nest. Anyway, I don't see our beaver yet. No. No, I don't know. It should be around someplace. Like you say, unless he's still sleeping. Alright, so we're back on the other side of Morey Pond, on the side that's heading, this is 84 headed west, I'm headed east. You can see the headlights in the cars. see the launching ramp in the distance where I put in. I guess let's see, it's about maybe 3 feet deep here. I'm headed into a little cove where the island is. This is a little island that exists on Morey Pond. It's been here for quite a while. You can see quite a lot of well-developed trees on it, some birds. We'll head to the back of this cove, and then we'll make our left turn. See if we can see anything else. I think we're going to be making our left turn right now because it's starting to get shallow. Alright, coming around the other side of the island. More birds. Another deadfall stump to my right here. Oh, here's another one. Wow, that's a big snapping turtle. Let's see if we can find him. He's underwater. There he is. Wow, I'm almost right on top of him. In fact, I'm going right over. There he goes, right there. You can see him crawling in the water. Wow, that's a big turtle. He's headed out, so I guess we'll be headed out too. He's a big, still swimming around. A lot of big snapping turtles in here. I think these inland lakes have a lot of them anyway. Okay, so we're coming back to the headed east on the near side of the lake where the launching ramp is. Alongside a little inlet here. See if we can go right between these two deadfall pieces. was able to cut through. Alright, some more branches. I wonder if that's another beaver location. Don't see any beavers this time. There's our launching ramp to the left. Okay, this is along alongside a grassy cove. This will probably grow to the point where you can't even navigate this. Probably in another month when the grass really starts growing. A little bird shelter on a tree. It's set up by the state of Connecticut. Makes for easier paddling, I will say that, when you don't have so many lily pads and big, large amount of weeds all over the place. Although the lily pads are starting to grow. I don't even think I was able to get back this far with last time I was here. Okay, some short grass and then make our left turn again. Yep, another painted turtle. He went by. Oh, there's another one in the water. A lot of painted turtles in the shallows. found another bird shelter, which was just to the right of us here. Guess I can. It's right back there. Kind of went around it. Didn't pay it much mind, but it was there too. Another painted turtle. That's just must be their spawning ground. There must be 4 or 5 painted turtles today. Alright, looks like at least it used to be a bird shelter here. Something not there anymore. Alright. Headed in. Looks like it might be another beaver piling. I don't know. I don't see anything. Well, we saw a couple of snapping turtles and several painted turtles today. It was good. And wound up with at least seeing some birds. So all in all, not too bad of a trip.